Okay, so here we are at youtube.com and we're going to upload a video that we just made. So just go up to here and click on upload. So you can sign in using your YouTube account or your Gmail account. And we're just going to click on upload video and just select the video. Oh, here it is. Okay, and you can see the progress bar here. I'll show you when your video is uploaded. And we're just going to call it using our keywords, so muscle building nutrition. And just write a simple description, but the first thing you want to put in is your URL to your website. Oops. Muscle. So you want to put the URL to your website where you want them to go. So if you want them to land on your squeeze page, you want to make sure you have the correct URL and not just your main URL. And always try to put HTTP at the front. You want your full URL so it's actually clickable when it appears below your video. And just be like TBD. Something like that. And for your tags you want to put your keywords. Muscle, oops, can't spell. And you want to select your category as sports, sure. Make sure it's selected on public and see how the video is going. 18 minutes, so I'll just click save changes once it's done. And all other video sites are probably going to be really similar to this. So that's about it. So next video we're going to be talking about how to distribute your videos and where, and how to gain more exposure.